shouting.
Yes.
So it's the morning time. Do you hear that? Oh shoot! There's zombies back there. Don't hear it. Why are they always coming late in the morning? They always come so early in the morning. Goodness! Oh shoot! Where's our car? Remember we parked the car? Where is it?
You can see what is happening here.
They said what?
We try to get him on the roof. What's our name?
Let's try.
Actually, no.
Dude, they're all around the perimeter of the area. They took our car. We don't have our car anymore. Oh shoot!
I found one. Where are you?
I'm coming. Who are you? Who are you? I see you. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh! Wow.
Hopefully there's no zombies here.
Yeah.
There's zombies!
Yeah. You died?
No.
Oh my god. Here's my pistol I got from last time. Ah! Did you run out of ammo?
No, okay.
I ran out too, so now the only thing what did you get that pistol from the whole motel?
Yeah.
Okay. Got this one from
I found
yeah,
this ammo box, right?
Oh shoot! Oh, it must be broken. You have to enter one at a time. Oh, thanks, Arthur. Oh shoot, they're coming. Why is the train so slow? I think the train is not working anymore. We have to get out.
Come on.
Oh! Oh! Oh. Dude,
What's happening?
this is the place that we were at, remember?
Wait, did we just wake up? Was that a dream?
That's what I'm saying. Dude, this is keep happening. Did you have a dream about zombies?
Yeah, I did. I mean, let's ask people around.
There's no one here.
Actually, there's someone here. There's someone here.
Thing is, I still have my pistol.
Well, the president says that.
As I know, the horse became a zombie when I killed him. Dude, this virus is so dangerous. And how did it even spread? Oh, I think I know what's happening. What I think is when we might become zombies, and then when we become zombies, we might become human again. Like if we get let's say we get infected, our corpse is gonna become a zombie. And why do we spawn again? That's so bizarre.
No. What's wrong with this guy?
Oh yeah. Remember I said if humans start becoming tall, they can be like if they start for some reason becoming tall, yep, they become human zombies. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, I'm trying to call. But in. I don't know, it must be a lost. Wait, so I heard that on the news that the government was gonna nuke days. And it already been 2 days, right? That's so bizarre. Wait. Let's go! Yo, what is going on? Yo, what is going on? Hurry up, go in the ocean! No!
Okay, I think that was just a dream. That was just a dream. There's no way. Something right here, though. Oh, it's heavy! It's under its mask. Wait, let's check it out.
Thing is, I still have my shotgun and stuff. Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, you know what I think we have to do, Shao? Okay, go in the car. You know where we should go now? We have to go to big cities. I'm going. It's gonna take about 3 hours though.
I'm hungry.